To get started with a Vanguard Cash Plus account, you first need to open an account on the Vanguard website or through their mobile app. This involves providing some personal and financial information and funding your account with an initial deposit. Once your account is set up, you can navigate to the account dashboard where you can view your account balance, transaction history, and other important details. From here, you can also initiate transactions such as deposits, withdrawals, and transfers to and from other accounts. One of the key features of a Vanguard Cash Plus account is its high-yield interest rate, which allows you to earn a competitive rate of return on your cash balance. You can also use your account to pay bills, make purchases, or send money to friends and family. To deposit funds into your account, you can use electronic funds transfer, wire transfer, or mobile deposit. To withdraw funds, you can use an ATM, write a check, or initiate a transfer to another account. It is also important to note that Vanguard Cash Plus accounts come with certain benefits such as no monthly maintenance fees, no minimum balance requirements, and no overdraft fees. However, it is crucial to review the account terms and conditions to understand any applicable fees or restrictions. To make the most of your Vanguard Cash Plus account, consider setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to build your cash reserve over time. You can also use the account to save for specific financial goals, such as a down payment on a house or a vacation. Overall, using a Vanguard Cash Plus account is a straightforward process that can help you manage your cash flow, earn a competitive interest rate, and achieve your financial goals. By following these steps and taking advantage of the account's features and benefits, you can make the most of your Vanguard Cash Plus account and improve your overall financial well-being. It is essential to keep in mind that Vanguard Cash Plus accounts are subject to certain rules and regulations, and it is crucial to review and understand the account terms and conditions before opening an account. By doing so, you can ensure that you are using the account in a way that is consistent with your financial goals and objectives.